Hello and welcome. This is a tutorial on how to install the ObjectARX, in this case 2024, but you can install other versions using these step-by-step instructions. So in this case we are installing ObjectARX 2024 for AutoCAD 2024. AutoCAD is already installed. We're going to need Visual Studio, ObjectARX, and ObjectARX Wizard. Everything will be explained in detail. Also, I put the download links in the description. But first thing first, please let us check the requirement for ObjectARX 2024. The link is in the description, so this link. ObjectARX 2024 for Windows. We will need Microsoft Visual Studio 2022 version that and that with .NET 4.8 with C++ option install. So please go to this link if you haven't got that version installed. Download the Visual Studio Community Edition, and I already done that. Please maybe pause and download it. Next, we are going to download ObjectARX. ObjectARX is at this location. So in this case, we are downloading ObjectARX for AutoCAD 2024. So please download it. Okay. Next, we are going to this link. It's the developer's guide. We are going to notice this note. So notice this note. ObjectARX wizards have been removed from the ObjectARX SDK. So you can find the latest version at the AutoCAD Developer Center. No links, nor not anything. So we're going, I don't know why they removed that, but we're going to search for them, and I've already done that for you. So the link, it is here. The download section for the wizard is at the bottom of the page. You can use search function or whatever. So please download the ObjectARX wizard also. We are going to use the wizard to, you can see if we don't use the wizard, it's a lot of steps to just all of those settings you have to do manually if you don't use the wizard. So that's the wizard for. Okay, and now run the installation and check the, so here .NET Desktop Development and Desktop Development with C++. It's not a big deal if you don't check everything, but let's just do everything right. At the beginning, you have to watch out to check this one, so .NET Development 4.8, because of this, Okay, I've just change this setting to download all then install. I don't know why. Just you can do whatever. And please press install. Now Visual Studio has been installed. Restarted. And now we're installing ObjectARX. On purpose, I will leave this as is. So we're changing directory where we're installing ObjectARX. Everything's going just fine. We installed it here. Now we are installing the wizard. Okay. So wizard, just put anything, your initials or whatever. It's legacy. put the name of the directory where ObjectARX is and AutoCAD, and just press yes to enable administrative rights. Okay, and everything seems just fine, but here we go. We launch Microsoft Visual Studio. Okay, create a new project. Okay, just search for ObjectARX. I'm putting that just in case if someone cannot find it. And we want the first one, okay? So just next, and everything looks just fine. Okay, renaming projects. And everything just going fine, seems fine, but when we create, it won't work. Okay, so this is the solution. Just put everything in C, local disk, and ObjectARX, so that way, in that folder, everything from ObjectARX folder. Okay, so and the ObjectARX Wizard MSI installer. So this is how it's going to look. Okay, I put it in the description. Now press Windows plus R and type the sys whatever and press OK or enter. Now go to Advanced tab, click, then Environmental Variables, and find Path. And in the path, we have to have the C. So we have to have the folder on the local disk C, ObjectARX. Okay. So the last one, okay. That's the way it's going to look. If you don't have that one, just click new and add it. Okay, press OK, and I clicked and cancel because I've already done that. Now open command prompt as administrator. It's very important. So yes. And navigate to local disk C, ObjectARX folder. So cd ObjectARX, and then copy this and hit enter. Now we are back in Visual Studio 2022, create new project, find the wizard, it's the first one, next, put the project in whatever directory, name it, create. I've changed that, you don't have to, just next, finish, and that's it. And now the wizard works, and we successfully run our first project in 2024. I recorded a video what to do next.